who ain't never been to jail for a failure to appear. She got locked up Thursday. She got a failure to appear in a whole nother county. And she got to see a federal judge to even activate the $100,000 bond. You don't know nothing about no jail. Shut the fuck up, you parking ticket bitch. You motherfucking jaywalking hoe. You motherfucking boosting bitch. You motherfucking stealing roguish hoe. You ain't never been in jail for nothing in your life. You ain't never did shit. I take you. I take your ass out, run your ass like a towel and squeeze everything out your bitch ass. You ain't no shit. Don't act shit about Suge, nigga. Nigga, I jump.